If you don't like eating fruits but still want a health boost, then try Aonla-based products. This humble fruit, native to tropical southeastern Asia, is a powerhouse of vitamin C, second only to the Barbados cherry. Imagine a fruit that can thrive in almost any condition, from the humid coasts of South India to the arid regions of Rajasthan. That's Aonla for you. But why should gardeners love it? Aonla is incredibly hardy, making it perfect for various climates and soils. It's resilient to both freezing temperatures and scorching heat. Plus, its deep root system and minimal foliage make it ideal for arid and semi-arid regions. And the best part? Aonla isn't just tough. It's also versatile. It can be transformed into murabba, candy, pickles, jams, and even herbal products like chawanprash. Health benefits? You bet. It's great for digestive issues, diabetes, and even boosting your immunity. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, consider planting Aonla. It's not just a tree, it's a treasure trove of health and vitality. Happy gardening!